Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to show you a mixed media artwork. For this we need Fevicol or any type of PPA glue, some clay made stuffs which I have made with my homemade clay recipes. If you want to know how I have made this, please click on the I button. Here I am using all acrylic colors in the shade titanium white and blue. I have already made the base ready with gesso. Now I am using glue to attach those clay stuffs. And our mixed media artwork is ready.